Hi, I'm Stan Goldstein with Kates-Boylston Publications. As part of our KB On the Road live series, I'm happy to be joined by Andy Buckman, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Express Funeral Funding. Andy, thank you so much for joining us today from the car, I see.
Yes, on the road. But thank you so much for letting me hop on here today, Stan.
Sounds good. First question, what is the key to growing in this industry?
Yeah, absolutely. The obvious answer is relationships would be the first and foremost. It's a pretty small, tight knit world in the funeral industry. So we're actually traveling on the road, trying to meet some firms and shake some hands, and really build on our relationships and grow, not just for relationships, but actually establish long-standing friendships over the years. Second, I would say for our industry, there's an educational piece. We don't have a tangible product like a casket where we're walking in and selling, a casket or urn or, stationary products. So there is a constant educational piece to really explain to funeral homes and cemeteries what we do, how we can help their business, and how we can make them more profitable and help them grow. So that's the two big ones for our business is concerned.
Okay, following up on that, what are the greatest benefits of using a service like Express Funeral Funding?
Yeah, absolutely. First and foremost, whenever I talk to a new funeral home or cemetery around the country, I always explain that it doesn't have to cost you anything to use our service. And there's not many, if we looked at the world of, different businesses around the world, there's not many services out there that truly don't have to cost you anything and actually can make you more profitable. And that's what we offer with our life insurance assignment factoring. In addition to it not having to cost your funeral or cemetery anything to use us, we eliminate all the administrative paperwork. We handle all the claim forms. We cut down on the soft costs associated with filing life insurance. And then we get you paid up front. So you're just going to lower your accounts receivable. You're going to get your money and not have to wait weeks, months, and even years to sometimes get these policies paid out. So a lot of different benefits there, but those are the big ones, how our services helps.
And who are your customers and where do you work in the country?
Very good question. We actually we work with funeral homes and cemeteries all across the country. We actually work in all 50 states plus Puerto Rico and Canada. And then in addition to the funeral homes and cemeteries, we also can help serve the families that they serve by helping the beneficiaries through our service. It's called a family pay. And it's a pretty cool and pretty unique service. So it's not just funeral homes and cemeteries. We also can help the families and beneficiaries that the funeral homes are working with.
Okay, you just mentioned the family pay services. Talk about that a little bit. How does that work?
Yeah, sure. So what the family pay service allows is for funeral homes and cemeteries all across the country to offer families in the most difficult time of need access to their life insurance policies that mom or dad left them. And if they need access to those funds, they have the option to get those funds immediately. And when I say immediately, within 24 hours, they can have access to a small portion, say $1,000 of this life insurance policy, up to the full benefit amount, $25,000 or $30,000. Now, what that allows is it allows the family to be able to cover costs during the most difficult time of need, such as electric bill or their mortgage payment. If they just lost a loved one, mom or dad, the last thing a family member wants to be worrying about is finances. They want to have time to grieve. We see it used in a variety of ways. We had a lady last week that bought her son. She lost her husband, and she purchased suits for her son so that they could attend her father's funeral. And it's a huge PR and marketing benefit to the funeral homes because they go and the funeral home hand delivers them the check, or it can be direct deposited but it's a pretty cool service that funeral homes can offer families to give them that good PR, repeat business, and just help that family going through the most difficult time in their life.
Hmm. All right, tell us about the Express Hub 2.0, which I hear is the
Yeah.
most technically advanced in the industry. Talk about that.
Sure. The Express Hub 2.0, if you're not familiar with funding or factoring companies, we actually have about 20 competitors around the country, a little bit over 20 competitors. And most funding companies do not have an online claim submission platform. So there's only a handful that even offer a service that is an online platform or claim submission platform. What ours allows, it's a cloud-based system. So it gives you access to all of your claims anywhere from any device, mobile, it's mobile friendly. You can submit claims, you can check status of claims, you can print reports automatically with one click of the button. You can communicate directly with processors. So it's really a one-stop shop where funeral homes and cemeteries can have access to anything life insurance assignment related with our company. We've integrated with many platforms across the space, and every month we have new features that roll out that are really changing the way funeral homes work with funding companies around the country and cemeteries as well. So we think it's unique in the space.
Okay. And how many people get in contact with you, Andy?
What's that? I'm sorry, Stan.
No,
You said how many people?
How many people get in contact with you if they'd like to get in contact with you?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So you can go online to expressfuneralfunding.com and sign up. It's a couple clicks. There's no contracts if you're not familiar with using a life insurance assignment company. So it's kind of, if you ever wanted to try it out and see what it's about, you come and go as you please. People use us when they need us. And go to expressfuneralfunding.com. Got all the information about our service, how to get signed up for the Express Hub. It's all available online.
Okay, great. And thank you for joining us. And you're literally on the road. So being in the car, being on the road serious. Thanks, Andy, so much.
Hey, thank you, Stan. Thank you guys so much.
Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.